There are 28 newly certified lifeguards who trained and completed a program under the Department of Health in Palawan. They just finished a week-long water search and rescue training. The details from this report.
The 28 lifeguard trainees of the Department of Health are now in the final stage of their training in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. From Coast Guard Station at Honda Bay, the trainees swam over 1 mile out to sea to Cory Island. This training is part of the Department of Health and Department of Tourism, whose guising license for those who wants to become a lifeguard. Most of the participants are from different resorts and hotels all over the country. From Cory Island, the first to arrive was Reynaldo Layusa, a lifeguard from the Legend Hotel. Layusa swam the distance in approximately 57 minutes.
Tamang exercise lang po at binigay ng mga instructor namin na pampalakas. Doon po kami tumatag.
So talagang confident ka na talagang dapat ka nga maging lifeguard?
Yes, sir.
While the last one to finish was Mike Jason Linganay, who managed a not so bad time of 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Ang payo lang po sa akin ng mga instructor, huwag pong kabahan, magtiwala lang po sa sarili at matatapos din po ang milesway. Kinalma ko lang po ang sarili ko para matapos.
But apart from the speed, a lifeguard's paramount duty and chief responsibility is life-saving and rescue. In the meantime, due to a high concentration of the dreaded jellyfish in Palawan waters, Rio Marbrion has somehow managed to adapt with a unique ability for self-defense against the marine menace.
Ba't kami dalang suka?
Para po protection po sa jellyfish.
Kung may award ng most creative, mukhang ikaw makakakuha no?
Sa tingin ko po.
Yung iba walang dala eh.
Putting in time or getting experience a precondition prior to the issuance of a license. In the case of Rico Palad, who was enduring severe burning pain from his feet from an accident recently.
Pinipilit lang po para matapos lang yung ang training ng lifeguard.
Paano mo nagawa yun?
Bali talagang lakas loob lang po.
The 28 lifeguard aspirants will have to go through a week of water search and rescue training before reaching second stage.
Ito yung crucial namin dito. Dito namin ma-identify kung talagang na-adapt nila yung training ng lifeguard training dito sa Puerto Princesa.
Were they able to pass all your requirements?
Yes sir, based sa daily activities namin dito, nakita namin yung potential. Each of one meron mga potential.
The DOH stressed they are the only institution who can issue lifeguard certification from the training provided by the Philippine Coast Guard. For PTV News, Amy Olila.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.